Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Kids. Imagine having a tutor that's available for 24 by 7. Knows exactly how you learn best and never gets tired. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with AI, the dream is becoming a reality. Today we are diving into how artificial intelligence is transforming education for students, teachers and beyond. Let's get started. Personalized learning with AI. Gone are the days of one size fits all education. With AI, learning can now be tailored to each student's unique needs and pace. Take apps like Duolingo, Khan Academy. These platforms use AI to analyze how you are progressing and adjust lessons accordingly. If you are acing a topic, it moves you forward. Struggling, it offers extra practice. This personalized approach helps students focus on areas where they need the most help, making learning more efficient and less frustrating. And it's just not about speed. AI provides real-time feedback, so you know exactly where you went wrong and know how to improve. Interactive learning experiences. AI isn't just about helping behind the scenes, it's also making learning more interactive and fun. Picture this, you are learning about the solar system, and instead of reading from a textbook, you are walking on Mars using virtual reality. AI powered tools make lessons come alive, and let's not forget about chatbots. They provide instant support, answering questions whenever students need help. Combine that with gamification, like earning points for completing lessons, and you have got your recipe for engaged learning. Challenges and ethical concerns. Of course, AI in education isn't without its challenges. One big issue, privacy. AI systems collect a lot of data to personalize learning, but this raises questions: who owns that data? How is it being used? Schools and developers need to ensure privacy and security come first. Another challenge is access. Not all schools have the resources to integrate AI tools, which could widen the gap between well-funded and underfunded schools. And finally, there's the risk of over-reliance. While AI can enhance learning, critical thinking and creativity still come from humans. We need to strike the right balance. Teachers have a lot on their plates, from grading assignments to planning lessons. AI is stepping in to lighten the load. Imagine being able to grade hundreds of essays in minutes or having a tool like Grammarly to improve writing quality. AI helps teachers save time on repetitive tasks so they can focus on what really matters, teaching. Tools like ChatGPT are also being used to brainstorm lesson ideas or create engaging activities. It's like having an assistant in your pocket. With these tools, educators can create richer, more dynamic learning experience for their students. Future of AI in education. So what does the future hold? AI could create global classrooms connecting students from different countries in real time. It can also bring education to underserved areas, offering personalized lessons to kids who wouldn't otherwise have access. The possibilities are endless. But to unlock this potential, we need to address the challenges and make AI tools accessible to everyone. From personalized lessons to virtual classrooms, AI is transforming the way we teach and learn. But it's just not about the tech, it's about how we use it to create a brighter future for education. What do you think about AI in education? Have you used any AI powered tools for learning? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.